Hi and welcome back to another review. As you can see, we've got another pair of trainers. And again, this is from a new seller that we've not used before, pickpop.ru. That's pickpop.ru. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. There's also a discount code MatthewCX. If you use that code, you'll save $15 at the checkout. It doesn't have to be on these trainers, it can be any on their website. So as always, I'm just going to show you how the trainers arrived in a FedEx bag, should I say, not a box. I'm assuming there is the box underneath though, just to keep the trainer box in good condition. I won't go all the way around because it has got my name and address on the other side. But yeah, I just wanted to give you the first look at what these trainers arrived at like. If you are new around here, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. If you have any comments, questions or messages below, I'll get back to you as soon as I can. What I'll do is I'll take the trainers out of this bag and we'll have a look to see if it's got the secure box underneath. So the good news is it does. So this is just a standard box. They do this because then it protects the trainer box that's underneath. So I do like that it comes with these additional bit of security, just so you know that when you open this one, the trainer box is going to be in as good a condition as it can be. So let's get this box undone and I'll give you the first look at what trainers we've got. And here they are some Nikes. And if I flip it around, you'll see what the box looks like completely. So it's got all the information, the 1985 Air Jordan 1s, Nike and the Swoosh information. Underneath, put the wrong way around, you have all the details there again, Nike Air Sole, Jumpman, all the information. Ooh, almost toppled it out there. So if I flip it around this way, I believe, and you can now see what trainers we've got. So we've got some Air Jordan 1 lows. They are USA 12, which is a UK 11. Now this is slightly bigger, so normally I do buy a 10.5, but when I was ordering these ones I put 10.5 in, but they told me that they didn't have them in 10.5, only 11s, and they asked me if I wanted to either wait or would I take the 11s, and I did say yes to the 11s. I am a 10.5, so these will be slightly bigger, but I'm thinking in the warmer months, which at the moment in the UK we're having a bit of a heat wave, then obviously it's nice just to have a bit of ventilation and a bit of a gap around your feet. So if I open this and we'll remove this, you'll get your first look at what trainers we've got. Now these may look a little bit familiar because we have looked at a pair like this previously on the channel, but these are a different colour. I really like the olive green ones that I had before, so I thought I'd go for these ones as well. So there's the first look at these trainers from Pickpop. What I'll do is, as always, I'll get these out and we'll have a detailed look at each trainer. Okay, we've got them both out now and I am loving the colour of these. You do get some additional laces. So here you can see we've got a black pair. Annoyingly, they've not been laced up. So you've got the white one down there, and there also appears to be, probably that one there you can see, another patch which has actually been slightly opened. It's a pink pair as well. So there you go, pink, white and black laces with it. I am probably going to stick with the white in all honesty. So what we'll do now then, we'll have a look at each trainer. So we'll start with the left foot, or the left trainer. As always, you just get this little bit of card in there, just off the horn, just to keep it in shape so that when it gets delivered to you, you know the shoe is going to be in as good a shape as possible. I've got to say there's quite a strong smell of glue actually. I don't mind the smell actually, but yeah, it is quite strong actually. Just show you underneath there. Here's all the details of the trainer. So again, you see UK 11. So you've got the QR code, you've got the jumping man up there. It's got the cactus jack down there. I do wish that they would lace them. I really can't be bothered to lace trainers. It does my head in. But I will do, obviously. Stitching looks lovely. I do like the cream and the white. So you've got the cactus jack down there with the Nike tick. This has got like a soft velvety sort of texture, actually. Bottom, nice amount of grip. face there. They feel a little bit harder at the back than some of the other ones I've had. When I say harder, I mean like nice and secure. This is really cushiony though. Okay, so that's the left one. We'll cut back and we'll have a look at the right one. Now onto the right trainer. As with before, got this little red card in there just to keep the trainer in the correct form and shape. Nice bit of bounce behind it. There's the information on the tongue. Okay, we'll get the laces out of the way because I'm going to have to lace them. Tag is slightly twisted on this one. If I can bend it down. I can't seem to do. I think it's stuck actually. Yeah, it is. There we go. Again, there's all the information there. I'm actually really loving the colour of these. Stitching looks all on point. They feel a lot more shiny down the sides as well, actually. Good level of grip again. Absolutely love them. I am a big fan of these style of trainers actually, because they're good for either where you're trying to look a bit smart or even casual. So definitely some of my favourites are the Jordan ones. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to lace them up, the fun part, and then I'm going to wear them around the house for the next few days, and then I'll report back to tell you what they feel like. Right, and we're back, and here are our Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 lows, medium olive from pickpop.ru. These are lovely trainers. I've had a few pairs of like these styles now, and they are absolutely fantastic trainers, and I've got no concerns by these ones at all. They're really comfy. I mentioned I got them slightly bigger, which actually is quite nice because it just does give you that bit of breathing space, let's call it, in your feet. Comfort wise, yeah, can't fault them. I think I said during the video that these felt a little bit hard at the back, which they do, but there's a lot of sponging around there as well, which makes them the perfect comfort for your feet. And again, I think for me, it's got a lot of grip on them actually, which is nice. These trainers tend to have good grip, but these do feel extra nice actually. So I'm now in a position where I've worn them around the house for 5 days or so. So they'll be added to my collection. They'll be worn at work now. So details for the seller will be in the description of the video, pickpop.ru, so don't worry about writing it down. There's a discount code of MatthewCX, which will save yourself $15 off of any trainers on their website. As you can see, I did go for the white laces. I did have a little bit of attempting to go for the pink, but I don't think I can pull the pink off. So yeah, I stuck with the traditional white. Call me boring, why don't you? So I hope you have enjoyed this one. If you have, hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. Also check out some of my other videos. I do football shirts. I've also got quite a lot of trainer reviews on this channel now as well. So yeah, take a look and share my content out there. So I hope you really have enjoyed this one. And yeah, pickpop.ru, details for the seller in the description of the video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.